Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome back. Today's video is going to be about how I turn this dry hair of mine to this fluffy bouncy braids out. If you want to see how I achieve this, please continue to watch. If you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. It kind of look old and crusty right now, but wait for it. I started by separating my hair into sections in order for easy management. I will be using mixture of aloe vera gel and water to bring my hair back to life. Spray my hair with just the right amount of liquid to moisturize it. And detangling while I'm working the mixture into my hair. I'm going to be using a white tooth comb to make sure my hair is free of tangles. This is one of the secrets to having a nice definition. After that, I pull this section away and continue to work on the rest of the sections. Now that that's done, I will be moving on to sectioning for braiding. I had 8 sections in total. I'm going to be applying a tiny bit of organic castor oil before braiding. At the end of the braid, I will be using perm rod to define the tip of my hair. For the back of my hair, I decided on cornrow. I chose to do cornrow because it's going to make my hair bigger in the back. This is the finished look of the braids. I am about to wrap my hair up and go to sleep. I am tired. See you guys in the morning. Hello, I'm back. Time for takedown. I use this sweet almond oil. I apply a tiny bit of it into my palm and rub it together just to be able to take it down. Can you just look at those definitions? Here is what my hair looks like before separation. I went in to fluff each section first, then start to separate to braid out. Using my pick to fluff up the root of my hair. This is the final look, guys. hope my hair inspire you in any ways, and I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Love you guys so much. XOXO. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.